Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to change the caption style in Google Chrome. If you've ever found captions hard to read, or just wanted to customize the way they look on your screen, you'll find this guide super helpful. We'll go step by step so you can follow along and set it up in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. This feature works right inside the app, so there's no need to download anything extra. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap on the 3 vertical dots. This menu gives you access to most of Chrome's settings. From here, scroll through the options and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find all the tools to customize Chrome the way you like. Now, scroll further down until you see the Accessibility section and tap on it. Accessibility settings are designed to make browsing easier for everyone, and this is exactly where the caption options are hidden. Inside the Accessibility menu, tap on Captions. This is where you gain full control over how captions appear when you're watching videos or consuming content in your browser. Now tap on Caption Size and Style. This will open a set of customization options so you can decide how the captions look on your screen. Finally, tap Caption Style. You'll see a list of different styles to choose from. Whether you prefer bold, high contrast, large text, or something more subtle, you can select the one that fits your preference the best. Once you've chosen your style, it will apply automatically, and you're all set. That's it. You've just learned how to change the caption style in Google Chrome. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a huge difference in your viewing experience, especially if you use captions often. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to make the change on your device right now and try it out on your favorite videos. You'll instantly notice how much easier and more comfortable captions can be when styled the way you like. Thanks for watching.